Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that everything you see, every star, every galaxy, even the Earth beneath your feet, could vanish in a single cosmic event. From asteroid impacts to the death of our sun, and even the ultimate destruction of the universe itself, today we'll explore the most terrifying cosmic apocalypse scenarios that could wipe out life as we know it. 1. The silent killer, asteroid impacts. Throughout Earth's history, asteroids have been both creators and destroyers. 66 million years ago, a single impact ended the reign of the dinosaurs. Imagine a rock the size of Mount Everest, traveling at 20 kilometers per second, slamming into our planet. The explosion would release energy millions of times greater than the most powerful nuclear bomb ever built. Dust clouds would block the sun, crops would fail, and life as we know it would collapse in weeks. NASA constantly scans the skies for near-Earth objects, but here's the terrifying truth. We've only discovered a fraction of them. The rest are still out there, hidden in the darkness. 2. The death of our sun. Our sun feels eternal, but it has an expiration date. In about 5 billion years, the sun will run out of hydrogen fuel and swell into a red giant. Earth's oceans will boil, the atmosphere will burn away, and eventually our planet will be swallowed whole. After that, the sun will collapse into a white dwarf, a faint stellar corpse glowing in the night. To humanity, if we survive that long, it will be the ultimate deadline. Colonizing other worlds won't be a choice, it will be a necessity. 3. Gamma ray bursts, cosmic snipers. If asteroids and dying stars weren't enough, there's an even deadlier threat lurking in deep space: gamma ray bursts. These are the universe's most powerful explosions, capable of releasing in seconds what our sun would take 10 billion years to emit. If one were to occur within a few thousand light years, its radiation could strip away Earth's ozone layer, leaving us defenseless against the sun's deadly rays. Life would be sterilized almost instantly. Scientists believe a past gamma ray burst might even explain one of Earth's ancient mass extinctions. 4. Galactic collision, the fate of the Milky Way. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4 billion years, these two titanic galaxies will merge. Stars will be ripped from their orbits, black holes at the center will crash together, and the night sky will transform into a breathtaking but terrifying storm of light. The good news? Individual stars are so far apart that direct collisions are unlikely. The bad news? The gravitational chaos could still fling entire solar systems into intergalactic space, perhaps including ours. 5. The end of everything, cosmic death theories, the big freeze. The universe keeps expanding, galaxies drift further apart, and stars slowly die. Eventually, no new stars form. Everything grows cold and dark. In this scenario, the universe doesn't end in fire, but in eternal silence. The Big Crunch. Alternatively, gravity could reverse the expansion, galaxies collapse back together, stars explode, and the entire cosmos shrinks into a single point, perhaps restarting with another Big Bang, the Big Rip, the most terrifying scenario of all. If dark energy grows stronger over time, it could tear galaxies apart, then solar systems, then planets, until even atoms themselves are ripped in half. In the final instant, the universe itself is shredded by its own expansion. So, what does all of this mean for us? Some threats, like asteroids, could strike tomorrow. Others, like the death of the sun or the collision with Andromeda, are billions of years away. And the ultimate fate of the universe? That remains one of science's greatest mysteries. But one thing is certain: we are living on borrowed time, in a fragile corner of a violent cosmos. The question isn't whether the universe will end, but how. Which of these scenarios do you think is the most terrifying? Let me know in the comments, and if you love exploring the mysteries of space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the universe still has countless secrets waiting to be uncovered.